There are two evil men who are watching you. They are plotting to kidnap you to sell abroad. So they start to take action. When you're walking into the alley, little people notice. They will follow you. They run to you, pretend to distract, and then feign you. They take you into a sealed room and bind your hands and feet with a kind of monofilament. How wrong now? It's a pretty brittle line. Get up and slap your hands and butt. It'll break right away. Please take a closer look at every detail she made. It's smart, isn't it? Slap your butt. If you are not strong enough, use the second method. Take a sharp object to poke the hole in the loop. Then slowly pull the belt out, because the simple rule of the belt is the one-way tooth system. As long as you make the tongue open, it will come out right away. Please observe carefully. If unfortunately fall into this situation, please do as this smart girl offline. If a man pushes you to bed, fight him hard, and pushes him hard with his hand, then get out of bed right away. You can watch our detailed slow-down scene shortly after. First, she bit her hand, causing him to lift his hand, then immediately struck him in the face with his elbow to make him roll to the side. Then run away quickly from the burning area and out the window. Shout loudly. And if you're standing alone on the road, someone with a gun threatens you. Hold on to the gunman. Then quickly use one hand to pull the gun barrel to the side, and hand uses strong force to push the gun from his hand. The following slow scenes will help you see better. First, grasp the barrel of the gun and push the gun direction to the side, then immediately use the left hand to push his hand out of the grip. Then, quickly, use one hand to pull the gun barrel to the side, and hand uses strong force to push the gun from his hand. Use all your strength to nudge him in the stomach. Review our handling situations a lot, please. Today I go out to play. Turn on the music. Oh, I don't have a music player bag. Well, I have a way. Use a sock and cut this way. Cut off the nose of the sock, then discard the excess. It makes it look neat. Put it on your elbow, and put the player here. Put your phone in like this for sure, so you can move freely. Okay. We will still use the socks. Use a sock and cut this way. Cut off the nose of the sock, then discard the excess. Wrap it up, so you have a new hairband. Tie your hair back and swept in a loop from top to bottom. Follow me, like this, and so on until the top of my head. It's neat, isn't it?